Introduction. HTML5 is the latest version of hypertext markup language, the code that describes web pages. HTML5 provides the structure, while cascading style sheets, CSS, take care of presentation, and JavaScript makes things happen. HTML editors are software applications for creating web pages, offering convenience and added functionality. Types of HTML editors. HTML editors are of two types, textual and WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get. Text editors provide syntax highlighting and sometimes feature templates, toolbars, and keyboard shortcuts for quick insertions. WYSIWYG HTML editors resemble the actual page display, making it easier for beginners. Popular HTML editors: Notepad++, a free source code editor supporting multiple programming languages for MS Windows. Sublime Text, a sophisticated text editor for code, markup, and prose with advanced features. Adobe Dreamweaver, a web development tool featuring both a visual design surface and a code editor. Working with HTML editors. Creating an HTML document using an editor like Notepad++ involves using the correct markup tags and structures. An HTML5 document consists of the doctype.html declaration and the text within the HTML and HTML tags. Visible page content is placed within the body and body tags. Tips and tricks. Always close your tags to prevent unexpected issues. Use comments to aid in understanding when revisiting the code. Validate your HTML using online tools for error checking. Common errors and how to avoid them. Common errors include forgetting to close tags, using incorrect tag nesting, and omitting the doctype declaration. Always ensure every opening tag has a corresponding closing tag. The last tag opened should be the first one closed. Declare at the beginning of your HTML document. Add alternative text to images with the alt attribute. Conclusion. HTML editors simplify the process of creating web pages and ensure correct HTML usage. Understanding how to use an HTML editor and following best practices helps avoid common mistakes and create efficient web pages.